welcome to LCJ Delight's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making waffles and pancakes. Let's go! Hi guys, so we are here now. We're about to make the pancakes and the waffles. Alright, and to do this, obviously they are gluten-free. Alright, so we're going to be using the provision flour to make our pancakes and waffles today. So again, you can use any of LCJ Delight's provision flours to make your waffles and your pancakes. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the sweet potato meal to make our pancakes and waffles today. I chose to combine it with oats flour to give it a bit more of the bind, but you can choose not to use the oats flour if you wish and just use the plain provision flour. Alright, we also have a pinch of salt to add. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we also have a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use less sugar if you don't want to have all that sweet, especially with the fact that you most likely will be using some kind of syrup as your topping for your pancake or your waffles. Alright, so let's all mix. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients together here now. Alright, so now we are going to combine the wet ingredients. So I'll be using almond milk. Alright, but you can use any type of milk that you desire. Alright, so we're going to be using approximately 3/4 cup of almond milk. So I'm going to use one of these bowls here to combine the wet ingredients together. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I just love the dash of vanilla essence, but you can choose to leave this out if you wish. Alright, so we have our vanilla essence in here. Just kind of give the wet ingredients a nice little mix around. And we add it to our dry ingredients. Alright, you can add some more almond milk if you find that the batter isn't coming the way you like it. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it too thick and sticky either. So now I'm going to plug in the waffle machine and let it heat up, and then we're gonna start making our waffles. And we're back. So our waffle machine is ready. Once you see the light, if you have a waffle maker like mine, a Hamilton Beach, once you look and you see the green button is lighted, you know that your waffle maker is ready. So let's proceed to open it. Alright, so you have to use your pan spray to prevent sticking. Spray both sides. Right, and then you pour the mixture into the waffle maker. And you leave that to cook for about 7 minutes, or until you see no more steam rising from your waffle maker. So we're back and our waffle maker has stopped steaming. So once you see no more steam, you know the waffle is ready. So we're going to take it out from the waffle machine. Take a look at this. Wow. Wow. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to eat this. So I'm going to use some chocolate syrup and some maple syrup just to top it off. Yeah, this tastes great. Gluten-free, that's what we're talking about. So we're done with our waffles. So now we're going to head over to the stove and we're going to use our same batter to make pancakes. Okay, so you light your stove, put it on medium heat. Make sure your frying pan or your whatever pan you're using is nice and hot. You don't want it a little bit hot because it's gonna cause the pancakes to take longer to cook. So you want it nice and hot. And we're back, and we are here to show you the final outcome of our pancake. And yes, I love my maple syrup with my pancakes. Garnish with a little bit of apples. Good stuff. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.